We saw how to use a resource in the last video with a default action. And whilst this is a bit shorter than this HTTP post and then setting up like this, we didn't save that much space. Now it becomes more powerful if you create your own actions. So I will create a new constant custom actions here in the created hook. And be aware, you could of course also set up these resources here in a more central place and access them on a central object or whatever you like, so that you can share it across multiple view components. But here I'll keep it in this one. So here, custom actions. I want to create an action which I'll name save alt for save alternative or something like this. And this will now be an object where I configure this action. I set up the method. Well, this shall be post, though it will be overwritten to put anyways. But then I will also set up the URL. And I want to have a URL of alternative.json instead of data.json. Now with that set up, I can go up to my submit method here, and now I can simply use this, though in order to be able to use my own custom method, I have to pass new arguments to my resource setup here. The second argument will be empty. This would allow me to pass the variable data into the URL. I'll come back to this soon. And the third argument are my custom actions. So this object I set up here, which only has one action right now, but that's enough. Now with this custom action place, I can access my resource again and call save alt, the thing I just set up. And here, of course, I also pass this user like before, but now we should see that a new node gets created on the backend on Firebase. Well, let's try this out by reloading the application, entering some data here and hitting submit. And on the backend, we did see a new node, alternative, was created and our data is stored here because now we're using the save alt resource here. And you can now hopefully see how it would easily be possible to create multiple quick resources here with different URLs and then use them just like this in different places, having a highest degree of flexibility without having to hard code everything over and over again. If you reuse the same resource twice and another resource 3 times, well, this is how you can easily store it in a central place down there and then simply use it here on this resource.